Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, today again we'll take a look at the Great British Pound. Actually, I'm not sure that today the market really needs some update because action recently was relatively silent across the board. So markets, as we have suggested last week on the non-farm payrolls release, we said that probably in the beginning of the next week this market will start will get some relief after the really doom and gloom action last week. And this really is happening right now. So if we'll take a look at the major currencies, you will see that almost nowhere we could see any significant action. On the euro currency, action even smaller than on the Great British Pound. So right now, as we have estimated in our weekly research, that mostly we could be in a continuation of the bearish trend on the Great British Pound that could last for a year or even longer, with some maybe bounce and retracements, but in general the direction right now stands on the downside. And what we would like to get right now is just to get the proper area where we could think about taking the short position. Since market right now they were sold at the support and almost has completed the butterfly pattern, as we could say this maybe is completed butterfly pattern, we need to get some retracement up that could let us to take the short position. And most reliable, most suitable area for that purpose stands right here. This is the lower border of the big triangle pattern that we have discussed already. As you can see, what's the support here. Market shows this minor retrace action a bit below this border. So anyway, the area between 51.25 and somewhere around 51.80 probably is an area that we will be watching for. So it will be perfect if market will stack there and stop retracement and where we could try to take the short position. We do not want to see really return back inside of this triangle, because it's not will be the strategy, at least until market will stand below this area, below this intermediate bottom of this butterfly. Shy return back inside, well, it's acceptable, but at the same time it will be better. It would be better if market will stop out from this triangle. This will be just perfect. That's why the first level that we'll be watching for is right here, where we could try to take the short position with further downward continuation. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, since market at a solid and strong support area, we probably should be watching for possible compounding ABCD retracement, because hardly market will reach this area just by the one swing. Probably here we will get retracement first, and then we could watch for some kind of the ABCD pattern or something of that sort. This retracement, guys, here is very difficult to call as the bread and butter, because this thrust down, despite that the candles are really strong, looks a bit small to treat it as the bread and butter. But maybe this it will work as the bread and butter, but by calculation the number of candles to the downside is a bit not sufficient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. Well, but you can't take this point, because here we'll get the interruption, so this retracement was really deep. So taking as a thrust this area moves the 3.8 level higher and market hasn't quite reached it. So that's why here we do not have really perfect bread and butter sell. Although market could show here the 618 retracement, it's very simple, so maybe it will happen. Anyway, for us the major moment to watch for is possible compounding ABCD retracement. Take a look that if market will take this some sort of this ABCD, this should lead us right to the first fib resistance around 152 area. And also, guys, this will be the weekly pivot point that has been touched yet. Also, that's interesting, and that is very good for us, that take a look that this weekly pivot point stands right at the same area that we have specified on the daily chart. So this is an area of the bottom of this triangle. So we could see that it's approximately the area that we would like to get is retracement. So that's what we will be watching for today, tomorrow session, and let's hope that market will get here. And after that, we will see how it will happen, and then make the decision of taking the short position or waiting for something else. So that's all for today, because as you can see, market action is not really very fast. It's mostly standard retracement. That's why the comment is also doesn't bring any real trading setups, since we do not have it right now on this market.